The third exercise of the ninth class number system. Write the following in decimal form and say kind of the decimal expansion each has. So see first one here. So we have to write this in decimal form, then type of the decimal expansion. So this can be written as 36 by 100 can be written as 0.36. So see here, this is ended here. Okay, ended means this is terminating decimal expansion. Yes, second one, this is 1 by 11. Okay, I just do it by dividing. So here 11, so I divide 1 by 11. So here 11, this is 0 ja. Okay, 11 0 ja point. Yes, you take 10 here. Okay, again we don't get 10 is not divisible by 11, so again take 0. So this is 100. 11 9 ja 99. So here 100 minus 99 is 1. So again same process. Okay, we have taken 2 zeros means write 0 here. Okay, so then again 11 9 ja 99. So here again 1, we remain with 1. So the expansion goes on same, that is 090909. So the answer for this is 0.0909 dash dash dash. It doesn't terminate here. So but here it doesn't terminate and 0909 repeated here. So this can be written as 0.09, it repeats. So write the mark as repeats. So this doesn't terminate. So that's why we call this as non-terminating repeating. Yes, here 09 repeats. So that's why repeating. Question is 4 whole 1 by 8. So this can be written as 8 4 ja 32 plus 1 is 33 by 8. So on dividing 8 33. So this is 8 4 ja 32. 33 minus 32 is 1. So 8 doesn't divide 1. So I take 0 here. So write on point here. 8 1 ja 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, so then again it doesn't divide by 8, so 20, then 8 2 ja 16. So here 20 minus 16 is 4. So here also then 4 doesn't divide by 8, then take 40 0. So then 8 5 ja 40. This completely divided now. So the answer for this is 4.125. So this is terminated here and not repeated anything. So that's why this is terminating. So here I take fifth question directly. I will go with the fourth question later. The fifth question is 2 by 11. Okay, I divide 2 by 11. Okay, so here 11 doesn't divide 2, so that's why 0. This become 20. Okay, this is 11 ja 11. So 20 minus 11 is 9. Okay, again this doesn't divide by 11. So here I take 0 1 0 only, then don't write 0 here. If you take 2 zeros, then you write 0 here. Okay, so this is 11 8 ja 88. So then 90 minus 88 is 2. Okay, again 0. So again 11 1 ja 11. So again we remain with 9. Take 0. 11 8 ja. Okay, then here this is 11 8 ja 88. Again we remain with 2. The process is repeating here. That is 1 8 1 8 repeating here. So that's why. So 2 by 11 is 0.1818 dash dash. That is 1 8 repeating means this can be written as 0.18 is repeating. Okay, so that's why this is called as non-terminating and repeating. Question is 3 by 13. So 13 divides 3. Okay, so here, so it doesn't divide, so then 0 point take 30 here. 13, yes, 13 2 ja 26. Okay, so here we remain with 13 2 ja 26, that is 30 minus 26 is 4. Okay, again, so it 4 doesn't divided by 13, so then take here 40. Okay, then here this is 13 3 ja 39. Okay, so here 40 minus 39 is 1, so this doesn't divide it. Okay, that's why here take 0. 10 is also not divided. I take 2 zeros. 2 zeros means write down 0 here. This is 100. Okay, so is 13 7 ja 91. So here digits are different, so I am doing the problem, yes, continuously. So 100 minus 91 is 9. Okay, so 9 doesn't divide it by 13, so take 0 here, 1 0. So 90, we have 90 means this is 13 6 78. Okay, so 90 minus 78 equals to 12. So here we have 12 means again 12 doesn't divide it by 13, take 1 0, that is 120. So 120 means this is 39 ja 117. Again we remain with 120 minus 117 is 3. So here we have 30. See, so 30 we got 30 means here we have 30 here. The same process will be repeated here. So see, again we have 30 here. 13 2 ja 26, remain with 4, it becomes 40. So this repeats here, then again this repeats, and this repeats, this repeats. Okay, so here this is repeating means here from here it is repeating from 2. Okay, again we will get here 2 3 0 7 6 9. Okay, here this 6 numbers are repeating here, so this is can be done as 3 by 13 is here 0.230769 230769, again repeats. Okay, so here this is nothing but 230769, this is a repeating here, so that's why this can be done as, so this is also non-terminating, so non-terminating repeating. Sixth question is 329 divided by 400. Here I don't consider these zeros, that is I just 329 divided by 4 into 100. Okay, I just write 100 only, I divide this by 4. Okay, I don't take 100 here, I just write 100 as it is. Okay, so here 4 8 ja 32. Okay, here 0 0 9. Okay, so then here we will have 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, 9 minus 1 8 is 1. Okay, so then here we have we don't get we don't, 1 is not divisible with 4, then here I take 0, then here write down point. Okay, then 10, this is 4 2 ja 8, again we have 2. Okay, then here 0, 4 5 ja 20, 0 0, it is completely divided. So here 329 by 4 is 82.25, yes, 100 here there, so this is now the value is 100 means write down point here, that is 0.8225. So this is terminated and not repeating. Okay, this is the terminating. Second question of third exercise, number system. You know that 1 by 7 is 0.142857. This is repeating. Can you predict what is the values of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are without actually doing the long division? If so, how? Yes, we can find out these values without long division by, see here, first we need to find out 2 by 7, okay. So this can be written as 2 into 1 by 7, okay. 2 into 1 by 7 means again 2 1 2, this is 2 by 7. So 2 into, here I have taken 1 by 7 means this is the 1 by 7 value, 0.142857, okay. So multiplying this one, so multiply, we will get 0.285714. Okay, just multiply. 2 7 is 14, 2 5 is 10, 10 plus carry 1 is 11. Okay, just multiplying, we will get the 2 by 7. Then again 3 by 7. This can be written as 3 into 1 by 7. So 3 into 1 by 7 is 0.142857. So on multiplying by 2, we will get 0.428571. So this is repeating. Next 4 by 7. This is 4 into 1 by 7. 4 into 1 by 7 can be written as 0.142857. This is repeating here. So on multiplying to 4, we will get 0.571428. Okay, so again next 5 by 7. This is 5 into 1 by 7. 5 into 0.142857. So here on multiplying by 5, we will get 0.714285. Then 6 by 7. 6 into 1 by 7. 6 into 1 by 7, 0.142857. So on multiplying to 6, we will get 0.857142. So these are the values without actual doing the long division.